Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Prepare yourselves for this Shiba news. Shiba Inu changed the game. Ideally designed to take advantage of the excitement surrounding Dogecoin in 2020, Shiba Inu is a meme coin. But in addition to being one of the top meme currencies available, Shiba has experienced an increase in its usefulness over time. The Shiba team, for example, just unveiled a Layer 2 solution that will aid in scalability and improve it even further for regular payments. In order to gain traction in a rapidly expanding market, Shiba also recently unveiled a metaverse. We'll discuss how Shiba Inu altered the game in this video. Prepare yourself for this Shiba news. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. Significant bankruptcy in the cryptocurrency industry and weak macroeconomic headwinds have caused significant price swings in Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. The value of Shiba has increased to 60%, despite the fact that other cryptocurrencies are declining. In August 2020, the ERC20 token Shiba Inu made its debut on the market. Even though Shiba Inu was merely developed to capitalize on Dogecoin's rising popularity, it ended up becoming one of the best performing cryptocurrencies ever, rising by more than 48 million% by the end of 2021. Although it is not always correct, the trading volume, the total amount that is moved between buyers and sellers, may indicate investor positioning. 27,747,491,000,000 and 4,661 Shiba, or 27 trillion tokens valued at $332,000, were exchanged in the past day, according to CoinMarketCap data. At 0.12, Shiba was up 0.53% from the previous day. Following a recent meeting with Unification and the Shiba development team, Shytoshi tweeted about it. Although Shytoshi did restate that the upgrade is expected to be released shortly, this suggests that the Shibarium update was nearing completion. It is a continuation of earlier rhetorical remarks. According to You Today, the Shiba community posted Discord chats earlier this week in which Kusama said he was putting a nice bow on it, possibly alluding to Shibarium. In the same report, Trophius, another prominent Shiba developer, made a similar statement, stating that after the shibaswap website is upgraded, they will execute documents first, followed by beta testing. On the other hand, the community as a whole is feeling optimistic about the discussions around Shibarium's beta release in 2023. Then, after Shibarium speculation, the second largest meme currency on the market increased by more than 3%. As a result, it rose to rank among the top 10 coins bought by big Ethereum wallet owners. Shiba Inus are expected to be huge in the fashion world, according to You Today, since there have been rumors that an Italian fashion designer will include them in his most recent collection. With several cryptocurrency payment processors that take Shiba, including Wellies, a fast food restaurant with a Shiba theme, Shiba Inu has already made its way into regular corporate operations. This time, the meme coin is entering the fashion business with a clothing line with a Shiba Inu motif, according to a Binance article. Earlier, Italian fashion designer John Richmond unveiled his most recent collection on Twitter. The designer's initials JR were printed on the varsity jacket, and Richmond tweeted a street-style design with the word Shiba on the shirts and packs. According to Richmond, the image was a preview of the collection. Binance claims that the designer previously shared a photo of a hoodie along with a slew of additional tags, including #ShibaFashion. Richmond is a well-known designer as well. Famous rapper Snoop Dogg and others have donned his clothes. It's interesting to note that the account's profile picture is a caricature of a Shiba Inu dog breed rather than the Shiba Inu's official emblem. John Richmond and Shiba Inu announced their collaboration in 2022, and the designer would wear Shiba apparel in fashion shows like Milan Fashion Week. The designer has not yet said when the Shiba-themed apparel line would be on sale. According to the analysis, hype plays a major role in Shiba Inu's price performance, and the more exposure the meme coin receives, the more likely it is to rise. Partnerships like the one with John Richmond are crucial in this situation. According to the study, Richmond's designs aid in exposing the cryptocurrency to a market that may eventually become cryptocurrency investors. Amazon's alleged Web3 plan was revealed a few days ago, but it's still unclear what the project will look like when it's finished. An NFT marketplace, gambling, or anything similar may be a part of Amazon's project, according to a CoinDesk report. The research also pointed out the scope to dominate this industry and mainstream the Web3 economy. The article also said that because of the legal ambiguities, big blue-chip companies typically steer clear of Web3. Indeed, there have been attempts to incorporate stablecoins into the networks of payment corporations such as Visa and MasterCard. According to the research, huge tech and TradFi companies frequently invest in the cryptocurrency sector, and many cryptocurrency nodes are housed on Amazon's cloud service AWS. Nonetheless, they continue to be participants in the Web3 economy, adopting the concept of decentralized ownership. Lack of transparency and regulatory uncertainty cause problems. According to the paper, if Amazon's efforts are successful, they might have a transformative effect, which would require resolving the regulatory difficulties. The cryptocurrency token is still on track to have increased by over 43% this month, making it its greatest month since October 2021, when it skyrocketed by an incredible 830%. The bulls have been becoming louder since Shiba Inu broke its 200-day simple moving average earlier this month, marking the first time it has broken above this level consistently since 2021. They should be mindful, meanwhile, that Shiba saw a notable bearish technical development early this month. Shiba verified a downward trend connecting the highs of October 2022, and January 2023, indicating a potential short-term bias for the cryptocurrency. Shiba traders should keep an eye on how the cryptocurrency token responds to the 0.11 support level if this week's major events have an impact on it. A pattern breakup would allow for a test of the August and October peaks at the 0.15 and 0.18 levels, respectively, according to analyst John Eich of CryptoNews.com. Eich draws attention to data from Block that indicates that the number of Shiba tokens with unrealized profit exceeds the total number of tokens at the break-even point and facing unrealized losses. Given the impending release of the Shibarium protocol, investors would be more inclined to support a Shiba Inu price increase than to sell the token, according to Block's IO and AP model. At the end of last week, the IO and AP model revealed that 69.95% of the supply of Shiba tokens was in the money, 27.5% were out of the money, and roughly 3.2% were at the break-even point. Analysts at Business2 Community are optimistic about Shiba in 2023 because they believe that the developers of the coin will continue to increase its usefulness through the growth of the Shiba Inu Web3 ecosystem. They contend that these use cases might propel the Shibarium to 0.00004, a nearly 250% rally from current levels, since it will be an essential component of the Shibaverse and shibaswap. They continued, "We estimate that the Shiba price could cross 0.00001 by the end of 2025, with the Shiba community expecting to grow even further and the developers of Shiba Inu still working on their metaverse and decentralized exchange." Shytoshi Kusama, the chief developer of Shiba, recently released a mysterious update regarding the impending debut of the much-anticipated Layer 2 network Shibarium. Kusama recently advised her Telegram followers to keep popcorn on the ready. The Shiba Inu community is speculating that Shibarium's launch may be imminent as a result of the message. The primary architect of Shiba Inu recently made another enigmatic statement about the upcoming release of Shibarium, referring to a heart-shaped box in his Twitter status update, according to You Today. The community is excited to see what Kusama and his crew have prepared for them. And the launch has been made even more exciting by the rumors that the date will fall on Valentine's Day. The Shiba Inu community is anticipating more updates from the development team as the debut date draws near. For the Shiba community, Shibarium is an exciting development. The Layer 2 solution's capacity to facilitate quicker and less expensive transactions may have a substantial effect on the token's uptake and usage. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If you require any other changes, please let me know.